Creating a text-to-speech MP3 of a blog post is often a two-stage process. In this video, we'll show you how it's done. Let's assume that we want to create an MP3 of this blog post. We'll copy the website address and then go to the voicedscripts.com website. We click on the Start Right Away button. We scroll down a little bit and then paste the URL we just copied into the text box. And then click Submit. After a short pause for processing, we are taken to the second step. We scroll down and see if we like the voice of Audrey for headers.
Voicescripts.com offers a cheap, convenient, and fun alternative to audiobook production by providing the means for easily.
We scroll down and check out the voice of Matthew.
Voicescripts.com offers a cheap, convenient, and fun alternative to audiobook production by providing the means for easy.
We assign his voice as the narrator. We skip the other voices and click on the Submit Your Selection button. After waiting for a few seconds, we're at the confirmation page. We notice that the app has eliminated the contents of the sidebar, but navigation menu items as well as footers were obviously not marked as such by the designer of the website, so that they remained. A screen reader would have recorded all of these, but we have the tools to eliminate them. We scroll down. And click on the Download the full dialogue as a plain text file link. When we open the text file, we can edit the entire script. Let's first get rid of the menu items. And for the sake of this illustration, we'll just shorten the text, getting rid of footer items as well. We then go back to the beginning and start over. This time, we'll not enter the URL of the blog post but submit the text file we just saved. When we arrive at the second step, we notice that the voice assignments we chose earlier are still there, so that we can immediately proceed to the next step. We scroll down and click on the Submit Your Selection button. On the third step, we confirm that everything is fine, and can move on to creating the MP3 file. We use on-demand credits to pay and continue immediately. On the Thank You page, we click on the Go to My Downloads button. The audio file is ready. Let's listen to the result.
5 tips for choosing the best free cloud storage for your needs.
By Ramit Sharma. Cloud storage continues to grow in popularity for personal and business use alike. And with remote working becoming the new office, it's important to keep up with remote advancements. The best part is, it's free. Read below to learn more about how to choose the best free cloud storage for you.
5 tips for best free cloud storage.
Before we start, it's important to have a clear idea of what cloud storage is. Cloud storage, much like other typical forms of storage, like USB drives, hard drives, or external hard drives, is a way to store data and digital assets. The difference is instead of it being stored on-site, it is stored off-site at another physical location. This provides easy remote access and secure storage for sensitive information like consumer data, or personal data like pay stubs. Speaking of pay stubs, discover how to create real check stubs here. Now that that's sorted, onto the tips.
Cloud security.
When using cloud storage, you're using a shared environment. Providers lease out massive supplies of storage, like a physical storage unit, to all kinds of consumers. And while there are strict safeguard practices in place, it doesn't hurt to conduct your own security checks for added safety.
And finally, let's download the MP3 file. That's it. This was a demonstration of how to create text-to-speech MP3 of a blog post.